All right, I'm presenting number 3, the problem about Stonehenge. A lot of numbers floating around in this problem. You see something about how much the blocks weigh, how many people are required to lift those blocks, the angle that they're being lifted at, and then a height, okay? If I think about what's really relevant here, all that's relevant is that they are being lifted up a ramp, a very like shallow ramp, just a 9-degree angle. It's not much at all. And we want to lift them up to a height of 29 feet for my problem. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter how heavy they are or how many people it takes. This is still the angle. This is still the height. The other numbers are distractors. Don't let them affect the fact that you're trying to approximate the distance that the stone was moved. Now, careful about that. The stone is starting here and ending way up here. So it is moving along the distance that is the hypotenuse. So don't think it's moving along this distance. They're not dragging it on the ground. They're lifting it up the ramp. So I have opposite that I know and hypotenuse that I want to know. Opposite, hypotenuse, I need to use so or sine. So the sine of 9 degrees is 29 over h. I'm going to isolate h. If I multiply both sides by h to get h out of the denominator over here, and then I have h sine of 9 degrees is 29. Divide both sides by the sine of 9 degrees. That will keep h isolated. And then now I've got to type it in the calculator. 9 degrees is not a number I know. It's not a number I would expect you to know. But it is something we can compute. I'm just doing that now on my calculator. Okay, and I am getting, kind of hard for that to show up. 29 divided by sine of 9 is about 185.4 feet. So think about that. I mean, that's a long distance to go just to go up 29 feet. That's because that angle is so very shallow there. Okay, so again, draw your picture, figure out what things you know, what you want to know related to a trig function, solve for that trig function, make sure you're in the right modes in your calculator, and good luck.